Welcome! In front of me I have Smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. So basically, if your device is frozen or unresponsive, you can try to force restart it to basically reboot it, and hopefully that will fix your problems. To force restart this device, press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the goodbye message on the screen. So let's press and hold it. Once you see goodbye on the screen, release the button and wait until the watch turns off. After the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the lower button again. And once you see hello, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on, like this. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.